When mid-sized companies in North America look for a reliable payroll and HR solution, two big names always come up: Paycor and ADP. Both handle payroll, benefits, time tracking, and human resources in one system. But they take slightly different approaches that can impact how smoothly your team operates. Paycor positions itself as a modern, easy-to-use platform that focuses on automation and a clean interface. It is built with mid-sized organizations in mind, especially those that want flexibility without needing a big IT department. When you first log in, Paycor's dashboard feels simple and approachable. Payroll runs can be set up in just a few clicks, and the system automatically handles tax filings, deductions, and compliance. It also alerts you if something looks off before you process payroll, which helps prevent common mistakes. One of Paycor's standout features is how it blends HR and people management tools with payroll. You get recruiting, onboarding, time tracking, and performance management all tied together. Employees can manage their own information through a mobile app, which reduces administrative back and forth for HR teams. Paycor's analytics tools also let you dig into turnover rates, labor costs, and productivity trends, making it easier to make data-driven decisions. Now let's talk about ADP. It is one of the most recognized names in payroll, with decades of experience serving businesses of all sizes. ADP's strength is its scale and reliability. It handles complex payroll structures, multiple states or provinces, and even global operations if your company expands internationally. Its compliance expertise is unmatched, which is a major advantage for companies navigating the maze of employment laws across North America. ADP's HR suite goes deep too. You get talent management, benefits administration, time and attendance tracking, and learning management features. The platform is robust and feature-rich, but it can feel more complex than Paycor's lighter interface. ADP also offers advanced reporting and analytics, which larger HR departments appreciate when managing multi-location teams or detailed workforce metrics. If your company has between 50 and 500 employees and wants something efficient, modern, and easy to learn, Paycor is a strong choice. It gives you the key HR and payroll tools without unnecessary complexity. If your organization is closer to enterprise scale or operates across multiple regions with intricate pay structures and compliance needs, ADP might be the better fit. In the end, Paycor delivers simplicity and speed with a modern touch, while ADP offers depth, scale, and decades of trusted reliability. For mid-sized North American businesses, the decision often comes down to whether you want a fast, user-friendly experience or a comprehensive system that can grow into a global platform. Both are proven leaders. Paycor wins on usability and flexibility. ADP wins on experience and power.